Here's another one, everybody. We got another 10-minute hill and climb ride here. Do what you can. As always, challenge ourselves. Anytime the resistance is too high for you, pull back if you need to. Go ahead and warm it on up here first. It's nice and easy. Remember that perfect cycling form. Slight bend in those elbows. Shoulders are relaxed. Knees are bending forward. Feet as flat as you can here, okay? So keep those heels down. It's like I said, this is a hill and climb ride. We're going to start seated. We're going to crank up some resistance. We're going to push that strength in the legs. Not so much speed, but we're going to build up that strength first here, okay? Push and pull as much as you need to. Make sure your feet are nice and balanced. Keep it breathing. As always, that's like any of my other rides here. Do what you can. If you need to take a break anywhere in between them, go ahead and do so. That's fine. It's just here to challenge yourselves. Get that workout in. You're working towards that goal. Whatever that health goal, fitness goal, health reason, whatever your journey is that you're on. That's what you're reaching for. All right, keep warming on up. Keep it going. Keep it breathing. First hill here. Okay, we start adding a little bit more. I'm gonna add about a quarter turn up, but you could add more, you can add less. It is up to you. Again, this is 10 minutes ride of just hills. Okay, we're gonna do some seated hills first, then we're gonna stand it up. Standing hills. Just nice and easy, just pushing a little bit more resistance here. My bike that I'm using today is my Schwinn IC4. So if you wanna stay up with the same resistance as I am, go ahead and do so. Push that body, get nice and easy here. We're gonna crank it up a little more resistance, another quarter turn up. Keep going. Keep working it, keep pushing. Keep breathing, everybody. How we doing today? Feeling strong. Legs are strong, body strong, mind strong. Remember, in the end, sometimes it does become that mental game. Okay, there's always something up there that is pushing you to get a little bit more. And that's what we need. That's what you want. Add one more quarter turn up. Feeling a little heavier. Starting to slow us down. Again, this ride is not about speed today. No, it's about that strength. Slowing down, pushing those legs, building up strength in the lower body. Keep it going, keep it going. Keep breathing. 10 more seconds here, and then we'll pull back a little bit, and then we'll ride to our second hill. All right, go ahead and pull back. Give me about back to that flat road, wherever resistance you started on with. That's fine. You just come back down to it. Just ride it out. We just want to ease up the resistance on the legs a little bit, and then we're gonna start pushing again. Second hill. You know it. We go harder. We push more. We crank up that resistance. 10 seconds. We'll get to that second hill. Again, you're in charge of your resistance. You're in charge of your hills, but remember, try and make it more challenging every single time. Here we go. Give me that full turn back. Right where we left off on that first hill, we're jumping right into it. We're going right into that second hill. Push. Breathe. Push and pull. Pushing with the quads and the glutes. Pulling with those hamstrings. Keep those feet flat. Nice and balanced. Give me a half a turn up. A little bit more. Yeah, we want that challenge. We want to go harder. We want to go heavier. 30 seconds here. Push. Feel those legs work. Feel that body pushing. You're building that strength up. You're burning those calories. You're getting to where you want to be. 15 more seconds. We'll pull back. We'll stand it back up. And we'll get into some standing hills next. All right, going to pull back flat road. Ride it out. Nice work. Again, next up, we're going to stand it on up. So we need the resistance against those legs still. We need to add some back just so we can stand. So we can be stable when we're standing. Remember to engage the core. Keep the back tall. Keep those hips over those heels when we stand it up. All right, here we go. Add some resistance. Bring it on up. Hips right over the heels. Back is tall. Slide bend in those elbows. Just right through it for now as we approach our standing hill. Keep those grips loose. All right, don't grip it so tight. Loosen up, keep it strong, keep those abs engaged, core tight. All right, first hill coming at us, half a turn up, just a little one. Again, these still will progressively get harder. Just like that seated one, it's gonna get harder. You're gonna challenge yourself, challenge that mind, challenge that body, build that strength up, do what you can. Keep it going, still first hill. How are we doing? Are we slowing it? Is it slowing us, our legs down? Pushing through that resistance. If you're still going fast, you need to add more resistance. Again, this is that hill, not a sprint. A little bit more resistance. Keep going. Awesome job, everybody. How are we doing? How are we breathing? Sweating, pushing, and maybe burning. All right, go ahead and pull back some resistance. Right now, that's nice and easy. Just pedal it out. Relaxing those legs just a tad bit. Just get our body back under control. Again, you pull off as much as you need to, but remember, you're still stable when you're standing. Keep that in mind. Second hill's coming up. Add that resistance back to where we left off. Maybe add a little bit more. This is your workout. You got this. You challenge yourselves. Push. Work, work, work. Keep those heels down. Don't point those toes. Sometimes we tend to point those toes, trying to push harder. Don't do it. Try to resist that. Keep those heels flat and back. A little more resistance. Come on, let's go. Get up over that hill. This second hill, remember, it's harder than that first hill. It's more challenging. I want you to push that body, push those legs, challenge yourself, get to your goals. Let that sweat drip. Breathing heavy, pushing through it. 10 more seconds here. We're gonna pull back that resistance, and we're gonna ride to our third and final hill. All right, pull out some resistance, ride it out. Third and final hill coming at us. Breathing. Great job, everybody, great job. Stay strong. Don't quit on me now. Control the breathing. 10 seconds, we're getting into our final hill. That one's gonna be even harder, more challenging. I'm gonna throw a little bit challenge at the end for you. Here we go, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up. As much as you need to make it harder, make it more challenging than that last hill. Push and pull. You got it. Breathe. Stay smiling. Stay working. Stay engaged. How are we doing? Is it heavier? Ooh, feel it. We're taking those hips back. We're gonna hover back here. You're gonna dig deep. This is that challenge for you. Working the glutes, working those hamstrings in this position. Hips back. Hips back towards the back of the seat. Core is engaged. Arms are strong. Supporting that body still. Core is engaged, controlling those hips. Go ahead and stand it on, back up. Gonna get about 20 seconds left here of that climb, and then we cool it down. Great job, everybody, great job. 10 seconds. Pull back, pull back, pull back that resistance. Ride it out, stay standing for a little bit more here. Good job, how'd we do? How are we feeling? Sweaty, tired, breathing? That 10 minutes? Short amount of time, but you got a lot of workout. Have a seat. Pull back some more resistance. Just ride it out. Wipe some sweat. Grab that water. You did awesome today, everybody. Let me know in the comments below how this ride was for you. Breathe and relax. And now stop your pedaling. Great job today, everybody. Go ahead and bring on one arm over. Stretching out that shoulder. Again, if you haven't yet checked out the rest of my channel, I got plenty of other workouts for you. Dumbbells, with the mat. More cycling, indoor cycling rides. Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. Switch side. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date. Hands come up, chin down, just breathe in. Take those hands back behind, chin comes up, open up the shoulders. Remember, we're working upper body as we hold onto that bike. With that last hover back, we're working some arms. All right, go and stand it on up one more time. Make sure your feet are even. Stand it on both feet, heels down, look up. Lengthen out the legs, we're stretching out the quads now. Heels back, stretching out the calves. Just breathing, opening up the airway. Hips come back, hands come past the handlebars. Just like that hover back we did in the last part. Push back in those heels, straighten out those legs, hamstring stretch here. Wanna switch sides, stand it back up, other foot back, heels down. Look up one more final time. Hips come back, last one here, hands forward, flatten out that back. Alright, take that final seat, reach those hands up once again, everybody. Great job today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out the rest of my videos. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You did awesome. One more time, breathe in, breathe out, and give yourselves a hand. Great job today, everyone. Nice working with you. And until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I will see you in the next workout.